Considering the complicated macroeconomic environment we just discussed, it is fair to question the consensus outlook for Apple's stock, which remains broadly bullish. Is Apple immune to an economic recession? What happens when earnings estimates need to be adjusted lower during a recession? Is Apple a recession-resistant stock? In 2020-21, Apple's revenue growth shot up as the 5G supercycle coincided with a liquidity pump, loose fiscal and monetary policies. During the past couple of years, Apple has recorded massive sales growth along with enhanced profitability. From a consumer perspective, higher disposable income and free money, stimulus checks, led to a rise in consumer demand, market share growth for Apple's premium devices. Also, the need for home offices boosted the demand for Apple's products. Personally, I don't think this excess demand will stick in the post-pandemic era, especially in the event of a recession. The recent strength in Apple's financial results is spread across all of its business segments. As you may know, wearables and services have served as the major drivers of growth at Apple for the last few years, and these businesses are still growing at a healthy clip. However, the growth in iPhone, Mac, and iPad is already slowing down drastically, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a 15 to 20% dip in Apple sales if we go through a deep recession. While a major chunk of the margin improvement at Apple is coming from the rise of its high-margin, 70% gross margin services business sustainable, the gains across other revenue segments like the iPhone, Mac, iPad, and wearables are likely unsustainable. Hence, we could see heightened volatility in P&L at Apple in the event of a recession. With all of this being said, Apple's management is not seeing a demand shortfall in the near future, as per commentary from the Q1 earnings call, which called for an $8 billion impact on revenues from ongoing issues, including the war in Eastern Europe and COVID lockdowns in China.